Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
This is your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is a behind the scenes get ready with me, where I'm gonna do my makeup for my TikTok videos and my video for YouTube, which I combine into one. Smarts for me, shout out me. But yeah, so first off, you see me do my makeup, and well, not my makeup, my daily routine of my morning, where I wash my face, do the cleanser and all that stuff, help get this glowing skin back. Okay, cuties, we're gonna jump in right into this video. We're gonna get started with my morning routine. So first off, I'm gonna take my little raggy, then I'm gonna wet it a little bit, make sure it's hot water, wipe my face down as so. Then I'm gonna go in with some black soap to help with my dry skin, because my skin is usually dry around this time of the year, where it's cold and then it goes hot, and then I'm surrounded by nature and stuff. So we'll go in and scrub our face down, make sure all you get all the dirt and grime off your face from last night. And then we're gonna go ahead and wipe the rest of that off. Once we finish wiping that off, we're gonna go ahead and take some little rosemary toner. We're gonna spritz all over your face, because you want to make sure your face is all smooth, smelling like roses. Because for me personally, I love roses. Oh, you can just smell it. It smells so good. Next, we're gonna go ahead and just tap it in, or pat it in, or fan it in, whichever you choose to. For me, I like to do both, so I tap a little bit and then I fan. After that, you're gonna go ahead and go in with some under eye cream for your eyes. So you're gonna take some moisturizer cream, like any type of moisturizer cream that's for your eyes. You're gonna tap that in, and then you're gonna rub it in lightly against your eye bags, your dark circles and stuff. And just gonna rub that in. Once you finish with that, you're gonna take some of your dark spots removers, or dark spots cleansers, because for me, I have dark spots from my acne problems, so I usually use this kind of my own homemade batch of mixture, and I get a Q-tip, as you can see, and dab some of that onto with the areas that has dark spots or has pimples that's starting to come back up. So I just put a little bit right there on the areas where it has dark spots or pimples, so that once the pimples grow in, it just starts to slowly fall back down to its place and poof, be gone. Then you can let this sit for an hour, but you know me, your girl don't got that much time, so I'm just gonna let this sit on for about, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes. And just go ahead and wipe that off with water. Once I finish with that, I'm going to take in my little moisturizer cream. I said clean. Cream, and then I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my whole entire face so it can all be getting all the good nutrients it needs. Because my face usually get dry in the certain spots, like my T-zone, that's where it gets dry, so I need to like moisturize constantly for that part. So I'll go ahead and just rub in my face, give my face that loving. Ooh, 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 girl. When I tell you my face after I do this is smooth as a base bomb, believe me, it's smooth, like smooth. Next, I'm gonna go in with my sunscreen, my daily moisturizing sunscreen. And so whenever like I walk out there during the day and make sure that none of the sun beats and burn my skin, so I just go in and lightly put that on my face. Next, we're gonna go with our e.l.f. citrus spray. I don't know the full name of it, so cuties, comment down below if you can tell me the full name of it right properly, how I pronounce it properly, because girl, she can't pronounce it properly. And right now you can see me, my face going like that because it was like too much. All the smell was so good, but it was hitting me at once, so I'm like too much, but it's okay now. Now it is time for the last part of my daily moisturizing routine of Get Ready With Me. I take my little Vaseline lip balm, which is rose, and let me tell you, baby, it works real good because my lips, every time I put this on, my lips usually be dry, but every single time I use other products, it doesn't really work for me as much. But when I use this product for my lips stop being chapped and stuff, so I really like this product. Now, we're gonna go in and show you my little cute outfit. I paired it off with my crop top, checkered crop top, and my orange rocker jeans, and my combat boots, and that's my outfit for today. I'm gonna pass this on to future KP. So let me do my makeup so I can get dressed and ready for this part where I have to do my makeup, put on my outfit, and switch each of the outfits. Yeah. Which is actually a good thing because I have practiced it doing it before, like changing out my outfits and all that stuff. When I used to work at a play, I guess the girl was in a play before, but I learned how to kind of like dress and change real quick. So yeah, let's get started with my makeup. Foundation, makeup brushes, primer. So I'm gonna, like me, I gotta get my primer. Primer. Oh yeah, I did my own nails this time instead of going to shop. The girl was proud. She did her nails, and it's actually staying on pretty well. So, but I'm not finished yet. I have to polish and stuff, so I have to do that. So don't tell nobody that I didn't finish my nails. Only us will know. But yeah. No, because I want to try to see if I can do it by myself. And girl, on my first try, do it by myself. I got it. I'm gonna go in with this primer fill on my face. Well, this actually not primer, it's pore filler. So another thing, in my pores get clogged up and have makeup seeping into my skin and stuff. Okay, that's some good enough. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrow. I'm gonna take this brown pencil with my eyeliner and go in. You know the drill how I do my makeup. So you can go in, fill this in. really need to do all that much makeup. I just need to put in like slap some foundation, do my eyebrows, lip gloss, and mascara, and go. Cause my face is already beat. It got its shine, it got its moisture. All I need to do is bring it all out. Please. Concealer into my eyebrows outline. Did one brow set, and I'll do the next one. Gotta go in with my foundation. Oh, it's right here. Look like I didn't do my edges. That's all I should do my edges for. Yeah, I don't look so cute anyways. I don't even look that stuff. What I'm doing. So I'm not going in with my foundation, and I'm gonna go in with all that and that jazz. Okay, that is done. Now foundation. Done eyebrows. Lips and mascara. So where's the probably gonna go in a natural purple look to match my other outfit. Please. Looks scary right now, but turns out when it's all finished, it's gonna look fabulous. So I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors Lips Studio. Like lip do. Oh, I like the studio. I'm going with this. I'm going in the shade of nude so I can like kind of be like a little bit of my natural skin tone. So when I go to the lipstick, I'm gonna use lip gloss and dab it in. Cause I'm more of a natural look. I don't really like all that other stuff, like how they bake their face and all that stuff. I'm more of a natural look, kind of like you already know. I like to do my face clean. Looks like I'm basically not wearing makeup, but I'm wearing a little bit of it, not too much. That's kind of me. But don't get me wrong, when on special occasions, like say, if I want to feel more pretty, I'll put some more glam into it. If I have special occasions, say like I have like business meetings, or if I have what's called like if I have business meetings or special occasions like birthdays and parties and stuff, I'll doll it up, but not really. I'm more like simple, natural look. And boom, we're done with the lips. Now onto the eyes, which I really don't even know which to show. I just gonna put on some mascara. Where's my favorite? No, I don't want waterproof mascara because that's gonna be hard to take off. So I usually go with this. I forgot the brand and it's been wiped off so much, so I can't really tell you guys what type of brand this is. But all I know is this brand works for me. real. I don't even see. Told you don't need that much makeup. Just put on, slap some, and boom, you're out. Now I gotta clean my mess because I'm gonna come back in and clean this out. So usually try to clean it as it goes. Same thing I said for cooking and all this stuff. Clean it as you go so you don't have to come back and clean again. So put all the stuff back here. Brush. Brush. Put this back. That was down there. This goes up here. And booyah, you're done. Now, I gotta go wash my hands since I have foundation all over them. And now, time for TikToks. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like. Oh, I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of my TikTok video right here. Okay, that was too much. Now, that's the video, kids. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you like, and don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And see you guys next vid. Bye, cuties. Cutie out.